It's a new 2026 Mitsubishi Outlander. This Outlander is the family-friendly crossover utility vehicle waiting to hit the trail with a perfect balance of power, performance, and an unforgettable ride. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, front and rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, streaming audio, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, memory exterior door mirror settings, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Mitsubishi has a vehicle designed just for you, no matter what road you're inspired to travel down. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.